Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
All right, good evening, Monsters. How you guys doing? And welcome back to the Premier Live Musical Program on radio. This is the Concert Series, only here on the Monster. My name is Rico Robles. I'm your host tonight. Audience, clap a little bit. Come on, come on. Hit songs come and go these days, but these are the songs that stand the test of time. They are considered classics for a reason. One example is the song Pagsubok, a song released in the mid-90s by the band Orient Pearl. Yes, those times I had hair and I did sing along to the band. The band has been inactive for more than 20 years until April of this year, when founder and lead guitarist Leo Awatin and bassist Ryan Gomez had to reunite, or tried to reunite, with the original members, keyboardist Dexter Panlilio and vocalist Naldi Padilla. Both of them weren't unable to say yes because Dexter is now residing in Canada. So if you're watching us, hi Dexter, thank you for tuning in. While Naldi had other plans. So the search went on for a new vocalist. Enter Ney Di Maculangan, former frontman of Six Cycle Mind. It featured a jamming session and they decided it was time to sign Ney on with the band. Match made in heaven indeed, they say. They immediately went on to the studio and recorded their latest single, Hari, which is available now on all digital platforms. And they're here tonight in studio to give us a major nostalgia and also some chismis of what went down throughout the years. But first, let's make way for our front act. Here's last week's performance from Harlow Basse on front act here on the Concert Series.
Monster RX 93.1.
Joining us, Orient Pearl. Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Galing.
After 20 years.
And Ney.
After 20 years.
Kung napansin nyo sa intro, nag-pause ako kasi sabi ko, sa Orient Pearl. Yes, I'm so used to introducing Ney before and with you guys, of course. Mamaya, alamin natin ang storya. But for the band, of course, let's introduce ourselves once again.
I'm Buds. I'm Leo.
On guitar.
I'm third.
I'm
drums.
Bass.
On bass.
Ney.
Alright.
On the dance floor.
Okay. So, paano nangyari itong you becoming the singer for the band, you know? I mean, it's been a while since we had you here. I was telling everybody earlier on the show is that the beginning of my career, Six Cycle Mind was here, and then Ney went solo. I interviewed you twice for this one, and then now with Orient Pearl, man. So how's it been so far through the years, man?
It's been good. I've been busy with my day job.
What's the day job?
Well, we started a startup company pala.
Okay.
So it's into innovation, tech, and
si Elon Musk nandito with us. Of course, that's you as a soloist before, but then with the band Orient Pearl, with you guys, you know, kamusta yung banda through the years? Go ahead, just feel free to reach a microphone near you.
Yeah, after we started around April, and I invited everybody in the Orient Pearl. And then suddenly Dexter's in Canada, and then I talked to Naldi, and Naldi said, it's not the time for me. Then you go on. And then we go on, then suddenly we're back.
So ano yan, nung pinuput together niyo yung band, is it more of like the mission na yung pagtugtog? Or is it about time na let's bring it back?
Parang ganun sinabi sa akin ni Leo. Nakalimutan mo ng banda ka, like?
We realized that kailangan na yata naming tumugtog uli. Oo, para at least, kasi we're still strong. We have our day job also, but this is our passion.
And then the scene is very much alive in OPM now, especially with the band scene.
Course, yes.
And then, okay, so you guys were together as a band. Who was singing for the band when Ney wasn't a part of it?
We borrow vocalists. Iba't ibang banda. And minsan pag wala talaga, ako na talaga. No choice. Third and Buds. Yeah.
And the songs that you guys had were not ordinary songs. I was saying, they're like the Bon Jovi of the Philippines. Power vocals yun. Oo, mga power vocals talaga, di ba? And then in comes, of course, Ney. So paano nagkatahi-tahi lahat? Ney, go here. When they said, was it Jaworski that got you guys all together?
No,
Paano ba?
Not the basketball player, but you're singers.
Basketball.
Parang I found out na they're looking for a frontman. And then may audition. So nagpasa ako ng sarili kong audition. It's a video recording.
Anong kanta?
Yung Pagsubok.
Uy, pinakamahirap yun, ha?
Tapos ayun, eventually pinapasa ko kay Jabo. Tapos 3 points niya.
Pasok! Diba? And then in comes, that was a story, and a super band is created. Right? So, which is great. Now, for you guys, when Ney came in with the band, you know, to go on with it, was there ever a doubt na mag-new name kayo, or just stick to what it is, Orient Pearl?
Actually, the first time, may doubt eh. Ano ba ipapangalan? At the first time, hindi ko alam. May papangalan. Just in case dumating nga si Ney.
As is.
Yeah. Diba? Pero mostly...
Pinag-usapan natin eh. We just remain as is. The same name. But dumating si Ney. Ako po.
Iba, parang na-starstruck din kami kay Ney nung dumating din. Pero we would never expect na ganun talaga mangyayari. Yeah.
Nakasando rin siya noon kasi nung in-interview lagi nakasando.
Hindi, nakaano pa siya noon.
Hindi na kaya.
Nakasando pa siya pero hindi niya pinapakita yung mukha niya sa video.
Akala ko mag-crop top.
Uy, uso yun, ha?
Uso yun.
Now, in comes the story, of course, the songs, and you guys sound great. Welcome back.
Thank you.
You know, is there an album in the works? Or is it more single muna? Sino yung mahihain? Dito.
Well, depende. Well, narinig ko kay Jabo. Mukhang single.
Single muna. Okay, so, of course, new music. But you will be singing the classics today, right?
Yes.
Crying in the Rain,
Yeah.
Pagsubok, ganun, no? Nakastama, ay, ibang banda pala yung
Tapos
Lakastama.
si Ray kakanta rin kasi siya yung kumakanta before.
Alright, so
Ikaw
we're
na
gonna
yun,
get to
tapos
hear.
na ako.
We're gonna get to hear that, and we'll talk some more once again. If you have a message for the band, 0961-367-931. Medyo mainit na usapan yung no? Yung original songs, and then when the band member leaves the group, yung kumbaga sa side A, we'll talk about that in just a bit. But for now, more music. We have Orient Pearl. They are joining us. Ano yung mga next songs nyo for us?
Yung Cry in the Rain.
Cry in the Rain, once again. We have them live. It's a concert series here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
That's what it's about. You sound great.
That was wild, Rai.
Yeah, thanks.
Grabe.
Pasok sa kanya.
Sobrang welcome back, Orient Pearl. We have missed you as a band. Of course, Ney is a part of it now. Ano about the band scene, yung pagbabanda na miss niyo when you guys weren't, when you guys somehow took a break from all of it?
Tay, you answer that.
Ikaw muna, lahat naman tayo.
Lahat naman tayo na-miss eh.
Para sa inyo yun eh, yung part na yun.
Ano part na yun?
Hindi ako, na-miss ko yung makita uli yung masa na masaya. At I think this is the time, no? It's not yet too late, but we want to thank them for listening to our song.
Great stuff. I mean, the lead guitar stuff on that.
I miss playing with these guys, and most of all, we miss playing for the people actually, and seeing them, having mixed emotions through our songs. Some are happy, sometimes they become sad. Some people cry sometimes, and me and Buds we didn't stop playing because meron different show bands until now, and then this guy contacted me to come back again for them, so I'm with them again.
Yeah, then me, it's naging exciting since bumalik kami.
Makanta ka na nga ngayon. Dati second voice. Ngayon, lead vocals.
Naging lead vocals.
Dapat laging wala akong boses. Pasok eh.
So sabi ko, susuportahan kita. Dito ako sa likod mo. No matter what.
Kaya tindig mag-isa eh.
Hindi naman, dapat ikaw.
Parang si Sting, singing bassist, di ba?
We should do that sa live, man.
Hindi, ikaw lang sa live. Ayoko na. Bro, may utang ka sa akin ngayon.
Pero congratulations sa hari sounds
Thank you so
really
much.
great. Who
Thank
wrote
you,
the
thank you.
song? And, how did the collaboration go with you guys writing as the new sound of Orient Pearl?
I wrote that song and then eventually pinarinig ko sa kanila. And then after kinabukasan, we recorded it already. Ganun kabilis.
Yeah, ganun kabilis. Through email lang sinend niya lang sa email. Then, and then next 2 days, na-sample na namin. Then we recorded.
Actually, inayos natin yung kanta doon na sa mismong recording studio.
Yes.
Parang ni-rehearse lang namin ng konti.
It's such an anthem. It's such an anthem for the band na, one day maghahari kayo and the music just keep on going.
Yeah. Parang ganun.
It's an inspirational song.
Also, it was co-produced by Angie Rozul.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Angie.
Thank you.
Hello, Angie.
So is that the theme now, the direction of the band? More of inspiring band? Ano yung mga kantang, wala nang heartbreak, na iiyak tayo, na kaya natin? Ano yung...
It's for us, nagkasundo kami that we will make a song that will
Inspire.
uplift the spirit of fighting spirit, empower the Filipino people. So the song delivers a message of no matter what problems, yung mga pagsubok mo sa buhay, you have to overcome it and win it. So mindset mo lang sa sarili mo na ikaw pa rin ang maghahari kahit gaano kabigat ang problema.
Yeah.
Something to look forward to. Of course, congratulations for the band. They did say singles lang. Is there any shows
Yeah.
for to look forward to? Where can they
Yes.
catch you guys?
We're gonna be here at Ranch Resto Bar in Silang, November 23. Nandun po kami. Silang
Ano pangalan?
Cavite.
Ano pangalan?
Ranch Resto Bar.
Ranch.
Ranch. December...
December 1.
No,
December 1.
November 30? Karma Lounge, Angeles, Pampanga.
Okay, so ano?
December 1, Aroroy, Masbate.
Nationwide tour.
December 25, Christmas celebration.
Christmas season.
Rarakit
Walang
sila.
mag-racket. Nandun kami sa bahay.
Bahay.
Wala. No way.
Year end.
So congratulations. Looking
you so
forward to
much.
it for all the shows and more music from the band. Message nyo sa mga day one fans ninyo
Yan.
na naikinig ngayon from way back.
Our message is to really thank them with all our deeply in our hearts kasi pinapakinggan pa rin nila kami, new generation, kilala yung kanta namin kahit saan ka magpunta, kilala yung kanta ni Ney, boses ni Ney, and nagpapasalamat kami sa mga batang 90s na naturuan nila ang kanilang mga siblings na
Batang 90s na may batang maliliit na ngayon.
Maliliit, oh yeah. So yeah, we maintain, sustain to deliver inspirational song. Thank you very much sa mga magulang nyo o kung inabot ng lolo nyo at ngayon new generation. So lolo. Kasi kanina kasi narinig ko favorite ng lolo daw niya bata may lolo siguro niya.
Yan ang pinapakinggan ko noon.
Thank you very much.
And it's such a karaoke favorite, right? For pagsubok, lalo na the last time you guys are gonna perform. So thank you guys. Maraming salamat. You're gonna take us out with this one. Okay, so for you, Ney, when you auditioned to sing Pagsubok, when you made that, how did it feel that you're now part of the band?
Overwhelmed, syempre, and flattered. Plus, thank you for trusting me. Yun lang naman eh.
And mag-ponytail ka din ba? Ibabalik mo rin ba yung...
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero itatry kong crop top.
That's good. That's good. But thank you guys. I want to thank Jaworski as well. Jaworski Garcia.
RX, thank you so much for having us again.
Anytime.
Oo, sobrang bahay na rin to. So, maraming natutulungan and maraming napapasaya. So, thank you, RX.
All right, so you leave us with this hit. Of course, a classic. Turn up your radio. They are back indeed. They are Orient Pearl. Here's Pagsubok. Take us out. This is the concert series. My name is Rico Robles, and this is the concert series here on The Monster.
The concert series. Live on The Monster.